When innovation meets practicality, you get the Wuben X4, a compact, multi-function flashlight built for those who expect more from their gear. Designed to blend raw power, intuitive control, and true portability, the X4 redefines what an everyday carry flashlight can do. Unboxing the Wuben X4 flashlight immediately conveys a sense of premium craftsmanship and meticulous presentation, with every element neatly arranged to reflect Wuben's dedication to quality. From the compact yet solid aluminum alloy X4 flashlight, exuding precision engineering and sleek industrial design, to the high-capacity 18,650 rechargeable battery that enables instant use, the USB-C cable ensuring fast and modern charging, the lanyard that adds practicality and portability, and the clear, well-illustrated user manual that guides you effortlessly through the flashlight's versatile modes and advanced features. The Wuben X4 is more than just a flashlight. It's a compact illumination system. By merging dual beam performance, RGB versatility, and precision control, it bridges the gap between EDC convenience and professional-grade utility. If you're looking for a flashlight that's smart, powerful, and endlessly adaptable, the Wuben X4 deserves a place in your gear lineup. Compact brilliance with full-size performance.